Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a great ab routine for you and it's super easy and super fun. So grab a mat and let's go. We're first gonna bend our knees and we're gonna slowly go down onto our back, hands behind our head, and we're just going to lift up into a nice crunch. Arms in front in first position, and we're just going up and down, just warming up those abs, doing something super easy. And we're doing 2 times 8, really making sure our stomach is engaged the whole time in these crunches. Good, now we're gonna add a bridge very soon. So let's go, arms to our side, and we're just gonna lift into bridge and then crunch up with the arms. So if this hurts your neck at any point, please put your hands behind your head, making sure that our abs are still engaged when we're doing the crunch and when we're going into the bridge. 2 times 8, making sure we're exhaling and inhaling. Don't hold your breath. Also, don't forget to squeeze your butt every time you go into the bridge. Good, just a few more. And we're gonna hold the bridge after this and hold. And we're going to bring the arms back, still holding in the bridge. Hold, hold, hold. Good, and slowly lower down the hips. Bring your arms into first, and we're going to do bicycles. So just bending and stretching your knee, one after another. Engaging those abs. Don't let go. Very important that you engage your abs here so you can work the lower abs. Good, and last one, and we're gonna roll onto our side, and we're gonna do a nice side leg lift, and we're gonna crunch our obliques at the same time. So we're crunching to the leg and then stretching out, making a nice line when we're stretching. The leg is also stretching as it goes down, so bending and then stretching. Good, making sure your abs are still engaged. Don't slouch and don't arch here. Making sure that you're pointing your toe as well and stretching the leg as much as you can so you work that leg and calf muscle. Good, and we're gonna hold here in that crunch, crunch it. Good, release, stretch both legs, and we're just gonna slightly lift them off of the ground, balancing on the hip. And let go. We're gonna bend that knee and come up a little bit, and we're going to crunch towards the stretched leg and then go back. So going back and then crunching towards the leg. This is really gonna work your obliques, but not only that, your leg and your calf if you keep the leg stretched and the toe pointed. And last one, and we're gonna hold here, bring the arms into fifth, and come down, and we're gonna go straight to the other side. First, the side leg lift crunch, so stretch and then bend, stretch and then crunch. So stretching the leg, pointing the toe, making a nice line, and then bending the leg into attitude. Good, last one, and we're gonna hold in that crunch, hold it, engage those abs, and release. And we're gonna stretch both legs, lifting the legs, balancing on the hip, hold, and release, bending the bottom leg again, stretching the top leg, and we're just gonna crunch, go back down, crunch, and going back down. So this is working your arms, your legs, and your abs. Engaging those abs, stretching the leg, pointing the toe. Awesome. And last one, holding, bringing it to fifth. Hold, hold, hold. And release slowly. Let's come onto our knees. And let's just stretch to the side, stretching out those obliques. And other side. Good, and release. And we're finished. So I hope you guys like that workout. I hope you find it helpful. And I'll see you guys next time.